and thank you all of you who are here today. Yes, we are talking about fragrance that describes all of us, that tells us to be yourself, which I think is one of the most important things. And it's a thing that we sometimes take for granted. We always look at other people and we want to be them. It's good to aspire to be somebody else, but I think you shouldn't lose your individuality and you shouldn't be afraid to be yourself, because that's the best you can be. So don't try to be anyone else, and I think that's what this fragrance says. Also, by saying it's good to be naughty, but be your version of naughty. I think all of our versions of naughty are different. Yeah, you should be your version of naughty. I try to have fun with whatever I'm doing. So even if it's on shoot, I mean, if it's a serious scene, not that way, then I'm very serious. But then I have fun being naughty, being serious. So, but otherwise, I think we all have stress happening in our life, and like small things of say of what you're going to wear tomorrow, or if the shoes match the dress. Things like that.
Stress in our life.
Yeah, or if you're going to have a good hair day, or if the color is going to run off when you wash your hair and the color is going to change, and now continuity is not going to be maintained in this film. So we have silly stresses like that, and then big stresses also. Like for me, I don't know, like if I've say auditioned for a film, or if I've sometimes even signed a film, and then I'm kind of stressed that maybe someone doesn't replace me in it because it's happened before. So stresses like that. Big stresses, family stresses, stresses in your love life maybe, stresses like that. So I think we all have that. So to keep happy within yourself, I think now it's started to come naturally to me, because I've decided that's the best way of life and that's how you should live. Well, fragrance for me is good smelling fragrance. Right now I'm really hungry and I'm getting food ka fragrance. So yeah, at different times different things. But smelling good, yes, that's very important. For me to smell of, I think I like kind of subtle fragrances. Usually really strong smells are not my kind of thing. I like a lot of men's perfumes in real life also. On me, I like the smell, like musky smell and stuff maybe. So I have used men's perfumes. I kind of like the way they smell. Otherwise, I like fragrances like, I think vanilla is my favorite. I'm really waiting because November 1st is Bypass Road. November 29th is Commando 3. I'm very excited for both the movies. Bypass Road, we've just launched the song So Gaya Ye Jahan, which is our old classic that's been remixed, and people are really loving it. They're loving it so much now we're going to nightclubs to dance with people on the song. I don't know if I was allowed to say that. Yeah, now I've said that. Yes. I think remaking something legally is a great thing. आप चुपके से चोरी करके किसी का गाना नहीं ले रहे हो. That's very wrong. They're giving credit to the original singer. They're giving, I mean, in our song, in our case, the original singer has sung, who's Neil's dad. He sung the So Gaya Ye Jahan, that part, he sung it. But in general remixes, I think it's great. The new generation gets to listen to it, and you're not, like I said, chupke se, you're not chorifying somebody's song. You're legally recreating a piece, which is great. Like, why not have people who wouldn't have heard the song ever get a chance to hear it now? So, I think if you're well hydrated, your body won't give out bad odors, and if you keep yourself clean and bathe regularly, that's a good thing. Brush your teeth often and not smoke. Then you'll have clean, fresh breath and smell very nice. I think my whole team, because a lot of times, like, I mean, every time I leave the house, I have a whole team of people, my stylist, my hair, my makeup team and all. So most of the times we do something that we know can go either ways. It could go totally wrong, or it could be applauded by people. So I have a team of people who are not scared, like me. My family is also very supportive of the stuff I do, because when you're leaving the house, if you have someone who gives you a look, who says, I'm not sure if this, but my team is very gung-ho about stuff. We try to style me differently, the hair differently, the makeup differently. We do all of that, and of course you media guys are really nice to me. Every time I do a crazy look, or on a red carpet. Yeah, you'll always appreciate me, so I feel very encouraged, and that leads to more madness, of course. But thank you, because if you guys probably wouldn't appreciate it, I probably wouldn't be able to have the confidence enough to experiment that much. But now I feel quite happy, and I see a lot of other actresses seeing that, and they also try to do that. But I think I get the most love from you guys. Yeah, lots of things. Holiday was my first web series that released, and after that, since we got such huge feedback from it and people really loved it, I'm going to do more stuff on the web. And like you guys asked, there is Holiday 2 happening. There's more stuff on the web also. Movie-wise, I'm going to announce something soon. There's also Man to Man, which is this film that I did, which is about this boy who falls in love with a girl, and the girl is a man. So I'm playing a man for the first time. I put those mustache pictures out on Instagram that you guys also really applauded. So thank you. I'm seeing a lot of other actresses also wearing mustaches nowadays. So yeah, good to know.
Okay, lastly, anything for your fans?
Well, thank you for supporting me, and well, supporting all the crazy stuff I do. Watch the movies that are releasing. Bypass Road is November 1st. Commando 3 is November 29th. And I can't wait for people to watch the movies now, I guess. Thanks.
सो आई सी दैट आई रिसेंटली एज इन 1-1.5 साल पहले से ही स्टार्ट किया परफ्यूम लगाना, बिकॉज हम में बच्चे नहीं लगाते हैं परफ्यूम, इट्स नॉट अलाउड. सो आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी एक्साइटेड. मुझे बहुत लगाना होता था कि मम्मा प्लीज़ लेट मी ट्राई इट वंस, यू नो, इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतनी प्यारी खुशबू आती है. और अब जब मुझे परमिशन मिल गई, नाउ दैट आई एम अ ग्रोन अप गर्ल, आई वेयर परफ्यूम्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फील फ्रेश, यू नो. अब तो वैसा होता है, मैं कभी भी रूम में जाती हूँ तो ज़रूरत नहीं भी होती है तो भी ऐसे ऐसे स्प्रे करके फुल ऑन स्टाइल में आती हूँ. एंड माई कोलैबोरेशन विद दैम हैज़ बीन अमेजिंग. एज आई सेड बिफोर दैट आई वाज कोलैबोरेटिंग विद दैम फॉर अफजल बहुत ही, मतलब अभी भी मेरे डैडी यूज़ करते हैं, और उसमें इतने सारे बेनिफिशियल चीज़ें थी कि हमने उसका प्रॉपर वीडियो शूट किया था, और ईद के टाइम पे निकाला था, विच वाज सच अ प्योर टाइम to launch a product and to promote it that time. So I think it was amazing and I would like to wish them all the very best for this, and I hope कि ये भी उतना ही इनका successful हो जितना कि इनके previous perfumes हुए हैं. I am not naughty. I'm very reserved. You know, I don't ऐसे मैं मिस्टीवियस नहीं हूँ. वो सारा जितना मेरा हिस्से का था वो भी मेरे भाई में है, आयान में है. तो यू नो, वो पता, आप मेरे और मेरे भाई के साथ रहोगे ना तो आपको पता लगेगा, दोनों में ऐसा डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पाओगे पूरी तरह से. सो आई एम नॉट नॉटी बट आई स्टिल लव द नेम नॉटी गर्ल. नहीं, ऐसा तो कभी हुआ नहीं. आई थिंक जिम में ऐसा कई बार होता है, आप कभी कभी एंटर करो, बहुत सारे लोग हो जाए तो एकदम से झटका लगता है, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. इवन दो जिम में वो लगा है मेरे, यू नो, अगर आपको ज़्यादा स्वेट आता है, हाँ जी, तो आप डीओ यूज़ करें, टॉवल रखें, इक्विपमेंट्स को क्लीन रखें, बट कभी कभार हो जाता है. यही कहना चाहूँगी कि अभी तक जितनी भी चीज़ें आई हैं सबको बहुत सारा प्यार दिया आप लोगों ने, तो अभी भी अपकमिंग जो आ रहा है उनको भी उतना ही प्यार दीजिए, इनफैक्ट और बढ़ा के प्यार दीजिए. और आई होप, हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो हैं हम उतना अच्छा काम कर सकें और उतना अच्छा गाना बना सकें, उतनी मेहनत करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और बाकी प्यार देना और उसको अप्रिशिएट करना आपका काम है, तो प्लीज़ वो करिए.